Welcome back. Port-affiliated workers protested in Wasco on Friday demanding to resume coal operations at berth number 10 and 11 of the MPT. They also demanded restoration of ore transportation at the earliest. Around 3,000 workers participated in the rally. They handed over a memorandum to the Mamladar Lakshmikant Desai as Deputy Collector was not present in the office. They have demanded immediate commencement of work at the coal berths.
आम्ही मेमोरंडम दिला एड्रेस टू चीफ मिनिस्टर दाखोवपाक जे मायनिंग एक बंद हा जे जितले वर्सांनी ते स्टार्ट जातलें काय ना ते आमकां खबर ना आनी दुसरो म्हणटा आमचो पोर्ट वर्करांक जे पोर्टान कोल हा तोय बंद जाला तेजे दोनूय आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला हे दोनूय बेगीन चालू जावचें कित्याक पोर्ट वर्कर्स आर द फर्स्ट सफरर आनी आमकां ह्या चालू जायना जाल्यार आमकां भयंकर त्रास मुखार आसतले सो आमी इतलेंच रिक्वेस्ट केला आमी मेमोरंडम कॉपी तुमकां जाय सगळ्यांक मिडिया दिवपा रेडी यू मिडिया कॅन गो थ्रू इट आनी ही खंयच्याच युनियन जर काडना ही फकत रॅली काडली ती पोर्ट affected workers. It was no affiliation for any union, no representation of any union.
सध्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टर नाव आमचं आता इन्स्पेक्शन ऑफ लँड एक्विजिशन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ त्याच्या कडचे नाव रिसीव केलं त्यांना वरांनी नाव तो फॉरवर्ड करतो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर फॉर द नेसेसरी एक्शन.
BJP Mahila Morcha marched towards Raj Bhavan on Friday to protest against Congress government for unjust rise in cooking gas prices. Women hit the roads in major cities of Goa. They said that central government should provide at least 3 more gas cylinders to BPL families, making it 9 cylinders per year. They shouted slogans against the UPA government and ridiculed Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The women marched to Raj Bhavan and gave memorandum to Governor of Goa B.B. Vanchu. They have asked the governor to convey their grievance to the centre.
Since the in-center UPA government is there and the chairperson of the UPA is a lady, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, she is aware that the ladies are the main affected person in this price hike these days. We wanted that she should at least take some step to help the lady society in this country. बरें आसा गॅस सिलिंडर सोंपलो जाल्यार चूल पेटयतली जाल्यार पेट्रोल ना स्टोव पेटयतलो जाल्यार पेट्रोल ना चूल पेटयतली जाल्यार जळोव ना मागीर कितें कशें रांदपाचें आमी गव्हर्नराक सांगलेलें आसा जशें की BPL तांदूळ दिता रेशन कार्डाचेर गरीब लोकांक 100 किलो तशें त्या पद्दतीन जर जमता जाल्यार एक बाबा बिलो पॉवर्टी लायन थोडे लोक आसा किंवा मिडल क्लास लोक आसा हेंकां तरी बाबा गॅस सिलिंडर व्यवस्थित नो तरी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केंद्र सरकारा कडसून जावचो म्हणून
आमी ह्यो ज्यो बायलो हांगा बसल्या आनी हांवें हो जो काळे रिबीन हांगा बांदिल्ले आसा तो गॅस वाड म्हणजे आमी निशेध करपा खातीर हांगा बशिल्ली आसा.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Goa government has announced a scheme to provide financial assistance to the scheduled tribe students. The government has also announced a scheme to support orphan child and children of widow belonging to ST community.
Goa government has announced a scheme named Gagan Bharari Shiksha Yojana on Friday. Announcing the scheme, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Ramesh Tavadkar informed that students belonging to scheduled tribes pursuing full-time post-matriculation courses in recognized institutions in the country will be covered under the scheme. Eligible students will get additional maintenance allowance of Rs 750 per month and Rs 1,500 per month for those staying in hostel during the academic year.
गगन भरारी शिक्षा योजना ही नवी योजना आज आम्ही जाहीर करता. या योजनेच्या अंतर्गत की आम्ही विचार केला आसा सगळ्या प्रकारचे एज्युकेशन घेता आसतना भुरग्याक सपोर्ट करपाक जाय.
A scheme to benefit orphan child and children of widow belonging to ST community is also being announced. Under the scheme, a fixed maintenance allowance of Rs 1,500 per month per child of a widow will be given, and an orphan child will get a fixed maintenance allowance of Rs 2,000 per month. Both the schemes are applicable till the child becomes 18 years old. The government has also announced a scheme to construct multi-purpose community halls in areas inhabited by the tribal community. The community hall will have a seating capacity of 200 to 300 people, and this project will cost 50 lakh rupees per hall.
संस्कृती भवन तांकां बांदून कित्याक दिवचें न्ही असो जर प्रस्ताव आयले नंतर आमी ही योजना फुडें हाडली आनी जेणे करून ह्या योजने अंतर्गत सादारणशे एक अंगणवाडी तातूंत चलतली किंवा एक रिडींग रूम रिक्रिएशन हॉल किंवा एखादें लग्न जर समारंभ आसत जर जायत न्ही ताज्या खातीर तो हॉल तांकां अवेलेबल जावचो अशा हातूंतल्यान आमी एका गांवाक ताजी एक कॅटेगरी आमी केल्ली आसा.
With camera person Sushant Paul, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Sims LPG customer verification process is in the mess as the machinery at the dealers level is not prepared and trained for it. Consumers have now urged CM Parrikar to resolve the issue. Getting the KYC forms, submitting them and getting the information verified has become a headache. People say the officers lack knowledge, seem confused as they are unable to answer consumers' queries. Shyam Sundar Fatte reports. Have a look at the people gathered at the LPG gas service provider. From past many days, people are being given the forms of KYC information. But sometimes the forms are not accepted, saying they are not provided by the dealer. People claim that the staff at the dealer's center give them improper information. Have a look at the reactions by the people. They have asked CM Parrikar to relieve them from this mess.
ह्या दिसा हांगा सिलिंडर बूक करपाक गेल्लो तेंच्यांनी म्हाका सिलिंडर बूक केलो आनी हे फॉर्म दिले आनी हे फील करून सांगले ते फील करून आयज येयलो म्हाका मातसो प्रॉब्लेम जालो आतां 8 दीस जाले आनी आतां फॉर्म 2-2.5 तास हांव लायनीक रावलो लायनीक जेन्ना कावंटराचेर पावलो तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी विचारलें म्हाका हे फॉर्म तुका कोणी दिलेले आनी आपूण दिवंक ना म्हाज्या बापायन म्हटलें छापून दवरलें ते हांव क्लास घेवन येयला
आमकां हे वर्साक 6 सिलिंडर केले ते पावना हे गव्हर्मेंटान चेंज करपाचें आनी आतां लाकडाय गावना पेट्रोलूय गावना कशें आमी जगपाचें कांय सजमाना.
फॉर्म दिलेच म्हाका आनी मागीर ते बुकाचेर एक रिमार्क मारलो ब्लॉक म्हणून रिमार्क मारलो तो भितर विचारले ते म्हणटा वयरसूनच ते येयल्ले आसा आमकां रेजिस्टर जावन वयरसूनच येयला ब्लॉक कित्याक जालो तो रिजनूच मेळना.
They also feel that the system of home delivery of the cylinders was better as many can't physically afford to get the LPG cylinders from the dealer's center.
ते ऑफिस सांगता कंपनीन बंद केला म्हणटा होम डिलिव्हरी म्हणून आमी हांगा येतात नाजाल्यार हरशीं आमकां रेगुलर घरा कडेन हाडीत बुकींग केलं की 10 दिसांनी हाडून दीत बूक पळयता तुमचे 6 सिलिंडर जाले म्हणटा वर्साक आनी मागीर 900 रुपया दिवन सिलिंडर घे म्हणून सांगतात.
Common man is already annoyed with the union government's decision to curtail the number of subsidized LPG cylinders to 6, and now the mess at dealers level has added to the woes. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.